Good afternoon, guys. I am into the front lawn of my garden. I'm just about finished doing my work here by pulling out the weeds. About takes 2 hours. And now while I'm finished working in my garden, so I had to take some pretty quick short video now about my forsythia shrubs, flowers, plants here into the front lawn of my garden. I got two of these, and then the other one is over there. Look at this. It's really gorgeous flowers because I just been planted this about 5 years ago through by cutting from the mother of plants, and it grew nicely, and I didn't really uh, looking after properly. I just give some water during the summertime, that's it. But I use fertilize as well. The fertilizer I'm using, it's a kind of Miracle Group powder stuff that I'm using only about 1 scoop with 1 liter water to it. Mix it up and put underneath. But I really had only doing that at least 3 times in a year because I don't really actually like using too much fertilize. I don't really actually like doing too much, I mean putting so much of fertilizer, because I'm really afraid I might ruin it. So I think 3 times in a year should be good enough. Yeah, 3 times in a year by putting fertilizer is just good enough. Yeah, that's how I looking after my plants around here. Yeah, this is my plant lawn garden, really looking gorgeous now because lots of flowers as well. They just about start coming out. My daffodils will here, they're really lovely and gorgeous looking, you know. So it takes time by by clearing up underneath. It's not quite really finished yet, but I might come back here again by do a little bit more work, especially when the weather is turning up into a bitter temperature, because right now it's still really springtime, but I guess the springtime here is nearly over, and I hope so. So when the springtime is over, gonna be turning to be a kind of warm weather. But again, they call it summertime, but sometimes the summertime in here, sometimes it's still pretty cold anyway. So depends on the temperature weather is. So I can, so I mean, it gave me a chance by coming down here or coming outside to do my gardening. Yeah, and that's what I'm looking for anyway. I'm not staying very long here, and see you guys soon for my next round. Goodbye for now. Bye.